like a hoodie apart or anything. Oh no. This is scary. This is really scary. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the second episode of buying YouTuber merch and DIYing it, which is basically a series where I make free commercials for some of my favorite YouTubers wearing their merch and also stimulate their businesses by spending my hard-earned cash on their sweaters and then cutting them up usually. So today we've got Sister James Charles, we've got Mr. David Dobrik, and the Dolan Twins, and I think that I accidentally bought knockoff Dolan Twins merch. So don't do what I did and go buy merch off their actual merch website. Nonetheless, we are gonna DIY it, and who should we start with? Let's start with Sister James Charles. Sister James. I'm so excited for this, but I also had a really hard time buying Sister James's merch because there's only massive sizes left. And like, these are cute colors, but I wanna like slice these hoodies vertically and then stick them back together. Like I wanna Frankenstein my sister's merch. Orange and yellow is maybe not my first choice of color combination, but we gonna try it anyway. And also Matt has intelligently pointed out that I've got 2 shots at this because we got 2 sides of each hoodie. So if I mess up round 1, we got round 2 as well. I don't really try these out beforehand. They kind of just hopefully work out for the best, cross my fingers. But that's the plan, is that we're gonna slice it in half and then put it back together.
I keep on falling astray from my intuition, but I'm pretending it's not my fault. No.
We have a problem. So you know what, like it makes sense, but the printing of the sisters graphic on the back is probably not exactly the same. So I thought if I was gonna crop the same, they would match up, but we got a solid 2 centimeter difference here from the top. So maybe I'll just give it an edgy look. I was so stoked to match up the font. I didn't buy extra hoodies, so we got 2 chances with 2 sides, but I don't know.
I was worried you blowed my reputation, but I figured it's not on me. Yeah. The way you're making me shake.
It looks so weird.
For people like them. Oh no. Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown, whirling high up in the sky. Oh, it's the way you make me feel so good, feel so good.
I just spent way too much of my life sewing this together because I wanted this to be perfect. Got it to match up. I was a little worried it was gonna say like sizer or something. You just have no teeth. My hands are tired, so we're gonna do a little fabric glue on the front.
Well, darling, on my mind, I'm feeling so fly up in the zone now. I'm like a golden crown.
It's like if Pooh Bear was a sister? Sister Pooh? Or like Sister Hot Cheeto. Sister Snack. Sister Snack sweater. Oh my god, that took way too long. So I don't know if you guys know this about me, but I'm a hardcore Vlog Squad fan, and I've seen probably all of David Dobrik's vlogs. It's like one of the channels that I like know when they upload, and I'm ready for that new vid. So got my clickbait sweatpants. Honestly, these sweats fit pretty well to begin with, but I'm thinking of just adding a little zipper detailing on the side for both of them to make them a little more hood. Honestly, hood's not the right word, but just, you know, a little more cool.
Ooh, you like them.
I feel like I've just spent so much time telling you guys not to buy knockoffs because it can be really convincing, and then I fell for it. So I've got my knockoff Dolan Twins sweater. I think this is the same, but I think maybe it's not supposed to have this on it. But make sure you go support their actual merch website and don't do what I did. I'm gonna crop it, crop the sleeves off, and then I found a flannel just at the thrift store that's got a similar arm width, and I'm gonna do a little Frankenstein in with this one with like flannel sleeves, I think. Gonna be a little edgy, but gonna be cute. YouTuber merch and DIYing it. Let me know in the comments whose merch I should buy next. I'm gonna go broke buying YouTuber merch, I swear. Y'all are kind of expensive. No, I'm just kidding. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode and enjoyed the DIYs. Make sure to tweet me which YouTubers you want me to DIY next. Thank you so much to the pretty little LAUR of the week. Oh my gosh, guys, I just said it on the first try. Take that in. Yes! I hope you're enjoying laurDIY products and getting creative and having fun. Make sure to follow me on all my socials. They'll be linked in the down bar below alongside all of the merch stores for David, James, and the Dolan Twins. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for weekly vlogs and another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you!
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the